Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to use frame mask for lifestyle photo compositions. Open a new Photoshop document and choose the frame tool to create multiple frames for your lifestyle photos. Drag your lifestyle photos into each frame, adjusting scale and positioning to maintain natural focus. Use overlapping frames or varied sizes to create a dynamic storytelling effect. Optionally, apply subtle layer masks or blending modes for a cohesive look. Group frames logically to keep your composition organized. Experiment with adding text or icons if desired, but avoid clutter to maintain a clean visual. By practicing these techniques, you'll learn